Before anything else, sit down with your client and discuss their goals for their social media platforms. Is it to increase brand awareness, boost engagement, drive traffic to their website, or generate more sales? Knowing their objectives will guide your strategies effectively. Hey there, social media managers. Are you looking to take on the exciting role of a social media manager? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive into the essential steps you need to follow to ace your game and help your clients achieve their goals while increasing their revenue. Y'all ready? Let's get started. So guys, get to know your client's target audience. Who are they? What do they look like? What problem do they have? By understanding your client's audience, you can create content that resonates with them and build a loyal community. And guess what? You can do this for your platforms too. Remember, you are your own first client. Choose the right platforms, guys. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Identify which platforms align with your client's brand and target audience. Focus your efforts on those platforms to maximize impact. So let's go into more detail about choosing the right platforms for your client. Because as social media managers, I don't think a lot of us think about this when we're serving our clients. It is so important to know what's best for your client. Choosing the right social media platforms for your client is crucial, as it can significantly impact their success. Each platform caters to a different audience and serves unique purposes. Here are some key considerations when selecting the most suitable platforms. I'm going to go over quite a few with you because I want you to be the best darn social media manager out there and charge them big bucks, baby. First, know your client's target audience. We was talking about that a little bit before. So knowing your client's target audience, as we spoke about a little bit before, understanding your client's target audience is the foundation of platform selection. Different demographics and interests are more prevalent on specific platforms. For example, younger audiences might be more active on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, while professionals and businesses might focus on LinkedIn. Analyze your client's competitors or your competitors. Look into your client's competitors and see which platforms they are utilizing successfully. This can provide valuable insights into the preferences of the target audience and where your client can gain a competitive edge. Assess content types. Consider the type of content your client will produce. Some platforms are more visual centric, like Instagram and Pinterest, while others are better suited for longer written content, like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Consider the time and resources available for managing social media platforms. Different platforms require different levels of engagement and content creation. It's better to excel on a few platforms than to spread yourself too thin across many. Certain industries and niches may find better success on specific platforms. For example, fashion and lifestyle brands may perform well on Instagram, while B2B, business-to-business companies, might find more opportunities on LinkedIn. Take into account the location and demographics of your client's target audience or your target audience, because you are your first client. Some platforms might be more popular in certain regions or among specific age groups. Consider your client's long-term goals and objectives. While some platforms might be trendy now, they may not align with your client's future vision. Focus on platforms that offer sustainability, growth, and relevancy. Remember, it's essential to strike a balance between the number of platforms and their effectiveness. It's better to have a strong presence and engagement on a few platforms than a weak presence on many. By carefully analyzing your client's target audience, content strategy, and available resources, you can confidently recommend the right social media platforms that will maximize their reach and engagement, and ultimately help achieve their business goals. Consistent branding. Maintaining a consistent brand image across all platforms is vital. Use the same profile pictures, logos, colors, and tone of voice to create a recognizable and trustworthy brand. Create engaging and valuable content that appeals to your client's audience. Mix it up with videos, images, and text to keep things fresh and exciting. Post regularly. Consistency is the key to success. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it. This will keep your client's audience engaged and coming back for more. Monitor and respond. Keep a close eye on your client's social media metrics. Track engagement, reach, click-through rates, respond to comments, and message promptly to build strong relationships with the audience. Regularly review the performance of your social media efforts. Identify what works well and what doesn't. This way, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your client's social media presence. Okay, guys, analyzing your social media strategies is crucial to understand what's working well and what needs improvement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the cheat sheet to become an effective and high-paid social media manager. I'm going to give you some examples of what you need to do to perform your job well. So do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, and in the comments, let me know if you need help creating your packages as a social media manager, and I'll release a video on that next. But let's get into it. Engagement metrics. Measure the level of engagement your client's content is receiving on each platform. Look at metrics like likes, comments, shares, retweets, and reactions. Identify which types of posts are generating the most engagement and why. Reach and impressions. Track the reach and impressions of your client's posts. This will show you how many people are seeing the content. Analyze which posts are reaching a broader audience and try to replicate their success. Click-through rates, which is CTR. Assess the CTR for links shared on social media. This metric reveals how effective your client's call to action is and whether the audience finds their call to action valuable. Audience growth. Monitor the growth of your client's social media following over time. Observe any spikes or dips and investigate the content or campaigns associated with these changes. If you use hashtags in your client's posts, check how well they are performing. Identify which hashtags are driving engagement and consider using them more frequently. Analyze the performance of different content formats, such as images, videos, and blog posts. Determine which formats resonate best with the audience and tailor your content strategy accordingly. Track when your client's audience is most active on each platform. Schedule posts during these peak times to increase visibility and engagement. And be aware of the time zone that your client is in. That's the key component to that, guys. Keep an eye on your client's competitors' social media strategies. Identify their successful tactics and see if there's anything your client can learn from or adapt to their own approach. If your client's goal is to drive traffic to their website, analyze the traffic coming from social media. Determine which platforms are driving the most traffic and focus on optimizing those channels. If your client's social media strategy includes direct sales or lead generation, track the conversion rates. Analyze which campaigns or posts are driving the most conversions and refine your approach accordingly. Pay attention to comments and messages your client receives on social media. Analyze and give feedback and address any issue or concern promptly. By regularly analyzing these metrics and data, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your client's social media strategies. Use this information to refine your approach, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately drive better results for your client's social media presence. Remember, data-driven decisions are the key to success. Connect with influencers and other relevant accounts in your client's niche. Collaboration and networking can expand your reach and introduce your client's brand to new audiences. Ultimately, your goal is to help your client generate more revenue. Encourage conversions by optimizing your client's social media profiles to lead potential customers to their products or services. So guys, by following these key steps, and there's 10 of them that I just went over with you, you can become an effective social media manager and an invaluable asset to your client. Remember, it's all about understanding their goals, knowing their audience, and providing valuable content that fosters engagement and drives revenue. Best of luck in your social media management journey. Remember, for more tips and training and resources, like and subscribe to our channel. Happy managing, and I'll see you in the next video.